What's good with it, y'all, man? What's up, man? Back again. Told y'all I was gonna be bringing y'all some bangers. We here. This video gonna be probably a little late because I'm recording it on the New Year's, and I'm probably not gonna drop it till later on, whenever I drop it. But in this video, man, I just want to tell y'all I got my setup now. As you can see, I got my acoustic treatment for my studio, and I feel like yeah, I'm about to be banging out a lot of tracks, so be on the lookout for that. Some more tracks gonna be uploaded. I'm Raw 7 on the way, man. I'm Raw 7 on the way. I got a lot of music on the way too. But I just want to talk about in this session right here what you need to get starting your studio 2021. Wow. So look, basically all you really need is you gotta have a laptop. Like, you gotta have a laptop, y'all. Like, I'm assuming y'all already got a laptop, and if you don't got a laptop, that's like the main thing. For real, you really need the laptop though. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't got the best laptop. I'm actually upgrade to a MacBook Pro. Right now I just got a Lenovo, I think that's what it's called. Excuse me if I'm wrong. But I got a Lenovo laptop, and I think I paid like $500. So I paid like around $500. But that was like the first thing I told myself I had to get a laptop. Like, when I was like on this journey trying to get to where I'm at now, and this, trust me, it's not like, you guys probably seen plenty of videos on YouTube with a lot of people talking about what they got and setups, but me, I'm just keeping it 100 from y'all. And everything I got is like I had to hustle for. I had to, you know what I mean, work hard and grind for. I mean, what I got. This is actually me on my little laptop, just so I can focus on, you know what I'm saying, what I got. And just to see in the videos, I didn't have the acoustic treatment. So we're gonna dive into that. But so the first thing you're gonna need for sure, you're gonna need a laptop, y'all. And if you got a laptop, that's good, because you already pretty much halfway there, you know what I'm saying? Because you got the main thing is the laptop. So once you get the laptop out the way, you want to get like obviously if you're a musician, you're gonna need a microphone, right? So I got a microphone. What I'm using right here is an Technica microphone. The microphone is only $100, y'all. I'm pretty sure y'all got $100. And if you don't got $100, man, you can get a job and, you know what I'm saying, work your way to that, or hustle, whatever you got to do to get that $100, man. But $100 microphone ain't bad, you know what I'm saying? And you'll be ready to go record whatever you got to go. But if you want to advance in your artistry as far as musician and stuff, just later upgrade that, you know what I'm saying? You're going to need to upgrade your microphone, which I'm about to do in the process. But right now, we just talking for the people that just trying to get started. We just trying to make some music, home studio, what you need. So you're going to need a microphone. I got an Technica. It's only $100. You're going to need a stand for the microphone. So the stand I got is basically the stand that you see right here. And the stand was only like, I think the stand was like $60. I got it off Amazon, and the reason why I paid that much for it is because I remember the last stand I had was a little cheaper, and it was a little flimsy, so the thing was just like lean back, you know what I'm saying? Like, you could hear the squeaking and the sound. It was like, it wasn't sturdy enough, you know what I mean? So I'm like, nah, I need something that's more sturdy. So I got the stand. Obviously, you're gonna need some headphones, y'all. Like, headphones is a main thing, important when you're mixing your tracks. You want to hear you know what I'm saying, your mix. You're gonna need some headphones. But if you're on a complete budget, I suggest you get the headphones that I use. Is only $30. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check it out. This ain't a sponsor, like I said. This is just me giving y'all free game. You know what I mean, all authentic on what I say. You know what I'm saying, whatever y'all need to get started, I'm finna help y'all, because we finna get this journey together, man. We finna grow together. That's the whole purpose of me doing these free game series, is that we gonna really help each other grow together, man. So if y'all in here is trying to get a home studio, man, make sure y'all drop comments and let me know like what y'all got. You know what I'm saying? What y'all using, what kind of microphone y'all using, how y'all set up, whatever. And if you ain't followed me on Instagram, make sure you tap in on my IG. My IG is Raw Ink. Make sure you follow me. You know what I'm saying? But we ain't gonna talk about all that, man. Y'all know y'all here for this home studio setup for this cheap little budget, right? So you're gonna need that, and then on top of that, you're gonna have a microphone, but you need a pop filter, right? So pop filters ain't that much, y'all. Like y'all pay like I pay like $10 for my pop filter, and you know what I mean. It's been working good. So you got a pop filter for your mic, got your headphones, you all set. You got your stand, right? You're gonna need an interface next. So I got right now. I'm using a 4 Focusrite I'm over here swinging. A Focusrite interface. So the interface, you're gonna need that to do all your plugins for your mic. You know what I'm saying? And that's another thing I forgot to tell y'all. The mic, it doesn't come with the cord. You're gonna need the cord to go with it. I only pay like $8 for it on Amazon. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna need the cord to go with it, and that's a SRLA cable, something like that. I think that's what it's called. But you're gonna need the cord to go with it. So once you plug in the cord, you know what I'm saying, it goes, you plug it in, and then it goes directly to your mic, right? So you got your cord, it goes to your mic, and then your headphones goes on here too. That's what basically it comes with all that. So you know what I'm saying, once it come like the cord, you can plug it into your interface, and then you all set, right? Now you don't really need speakers, you know what I'm saying, to get started. You can really just use your headphones to mix it, and then like you can play the audio. Like if you just got the laptop, when you're done, you know what I'm saying, you can play it. But if you do got a little bit of extra money, you can get some speakers, and these are speakers that I got. I only paid $100 for the speakers. So that's pretty much it for real, for like getting started on, like, you know what I'm saying, your whole studio. So if y'all caught that, you know what I'm saying, y'all can add up the prices and stuff like that and figure out how you want to do whatever in your budget is, you know what I'm saying. But the whole purpose of this whole series is like, it's like, how can I be an entrepreneur? Like, how can I really just, you know what I mean, be self-made and self-driven without depending on somebody else, that I need to go to that person, I need to go to that person to get the song done, and I need to go to that person. What's gonna do is it's gonna mess you up, because I'm like living proof. Because yeah, I may put out better content before, but as far as my growing things, sometimes I wasn't consistent, because if I'm paying $30 to $40, $50 of studio time, I'm not gonna be that, you know what I'm saying, consistent as far as putting out music. You know what I mean? So that's why I kind of wanted to do this free game series, because I can kind of walk with y'all into it, and I'm really like, you know what I'm saying, we can, you know what I mean, use this to really, this is like perfect time. But we in a pandemic and everything, you know what I'm saying, a lot of things is getting hard out here, jobs, people losing jobs and stuff. So the best thing is to invest in yourself, you know what I'm saying, and you're gonna really just figure it out. You're gonna learn how to do it. There's other YouTubers that I be watching that helped me on the way, you know what I'm saying, they've been helping me figure stuff, how to use it on Pro Tools, how to mix and all that. So all that stuff is like, it's really beneficial. So like, you know what I mean, that's the whole point, is to really just do it yourself. And then once you do that, you can be a master at your craft, you know what I mean. And once you master it, you know what I mean, somebody else gonna want basically they gonna want what you have, or you could provide service for them. Like you can come, like right now I'm about to have a studio with what I got going on. It's gonna be called Raw Studios, so they can come here and record, and I can mix their songs. And then, you know what I'm saying, I could charge a fee just for the mixing. But I'm not going to charge nothing crazy, because, you know what I'm saying, I know how it is to be an artist. It's tough, you know what I mean, playing for studio time. But you can actually charge, you know what I mean, for your art, you know what I mean. So that's like the whole purpose of this free game, is like, you know what I mean, me just helping y'all, like how y'all can basically, you know what I mean, grow your business and whatever y'all doing, you know what I'm saying. So, you know what I mean? If you found this kind of helpful, like, I appreciate it if y'all really like this video, because it helps me on YouTube, and you drop comments, you know what I mean? Because the more y'all show love, the more I get, you know what I mean, seen, and I can spread this love to y'all. So if y'all like this, man, make sure y'all drop comments, subscribe, and I'm going to be back with another video, man. I'm gone, man. It's your boy Ronnie.